Hi guys, I'm Alan San Miguel. I'm the country manager for OKX Philippines, serving as their senior growth manager. So what I think about Web3 is that it's going to revolutionize everything that we have here in the Philippines. Like not only in the Philippines but globally. Like for example, it is in institutions, in the retail world, or like for example, in every aspect that we are moving. Like everything can be used with Web3, right? The blockchain, its transparency, its innovation and all. And at the same time, what we can maximize in AI is that it's the future. Like it can make our lives better. It can make our how we move or how we grow or how we think. It will make us, feel like we're doing better than usual. And at the same time, for tomorrow's Web3 AI event, I'm looking forward for OKX wallet to be, to be a good partner in this event. Like for example, there's a lot of people using OKX wallet for NFT drops, for airdrops, for token airdrops, for NFT drops, and all these kind of things. I wish that this event would bring us more awareness about crypto and then educate people or the Filipinos in majority, because this event is happening in the Philippines, right? So I expect that this event will make us more aware of how does Web3 and AI can help us in our daily lives. So yeah, see you.